Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and start our hunt for today. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes only. So let us start our hunt. First of all, Beyond Meat is breaking the support before the market open. Big seller just came around the 141. We got MRVL, the same, had earnings yesterday. We already did the short update for our hunters yesterday for a swing trade. Yeah, MRVL did great. We have a pullback held over the support, the 81, then we squeezed toward the 102. So MRVL did a great job from yesterday, guys. And today we watch it closely for another jump up. SMX from yesterday hit the resistance around the 66. PMX pulling back. KXIN pulling back as well toward the current support here. VRAX, one of the top gainers for today, 111%. We'll see if we're gonna have another jump for it later on. IMG and KG, top losers. Welcome, welcome everybody. Thank you, Karina, for the heads up for Beyond Meat, increase the short interest. BLRZ, yeah, yes, indeed. It looked fantastic for now. It have to break the 676 to go up toward 740. Yeah, PLRZ, I'm gonna keep it on the main list. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Looking really great. We got CAPR got halted. CAPR, I'll double check it right now. Okay. It's not a unicorn, man. Yeah, it jumped because we got some news for it. We got announcement for positive results from their drugs. Yes. Phase 3, muscular dystrophy. So we got a really good result for it. So that's why I jumped, but I don't like the technical for it. The main ones, as we said, guys, so we got KXIN recently have reverse split and VRAX. PMAX might be good as well if we broke this trend at the market open. Yeah, it's ready to do some drastic change in action. Yeah, the $3.60 could be the level that we might test at the market open. So, yeah, 20% jump before another seller will come. So SMX and KXIN have recently reverse split. And KXIN, guys, we already did the chart for it yesterday. I remember, yes, KXIN, SMX, we did it twice. Yeah, we did SMX, not KXIN. Yeah, SMX. We did this chart yesterday twice. As you can see here, is that the resistance profit taken is around the 66.10. And before the haltation, yes, we updated the level because the price pulled back after the haltation. Now we have another jump. Yesterday 30%, now 16%. The other stock that we traded yesterday, it was MRVL. 7% recently. This one did a huge jump. We traded it yesterday. The best entry was on our update alert that we did yesterday. We got few minutes left, guys. Watch out, hit the like button on the way in. We still watching MRVL, the best play for swing trade that we did yesterday. And yeah, we waiting for the market open to take a bit of profit here. MRVL, it was great entry yesterday, guys. Was great entry yesterday once we did the update on our Discord. We did it for the elite hunt because usually we do a swing trade for our elite members. And MRVL was really great. It held at 81.61, which is the first support. We have a dip until I think the 86, then we reverse. So it was great because we got a little pullback here, just 7%. Then we reversed almost 25%. It was great entry yesterday. And our Discord. Again, guys, many of you ask me how to join this alert and those updates. You can join us by join our Patreon, and from there you can have access to our Discord once you access or subscribe to 3 hour levels. The first level is already sold out, so you can choose from the second and the third. Let me just put the link here for our Discord and Patreon and go back to the hunt. First of all, yes, for MRVL, I might take a little bit of profit here before the market open or during the market open because we might have a little bit of pullback for this one. And it's better to take a little bit of profit here. Anyway, let's go. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. QCLS. I will check it later because the market is about to open now. APLD is pulling back. B pulling back. Mara. Okay, so we got a little bit of pullback market. Let's see MRVL is reverse here. Beyond Meat, 5% down. It might go toward the $1.08. MRVL is going up. We have the 103.46. If we broke it, we might go higher for today. Otherwise, we'd be risky to hold. Now it's 7% around the 100. I think 100 is a psychological level. So I might exit from here very quick. Yeah, I think we got psychological level around the 100. We tested and we pulled back really quick. Anyway, so SMX guys looking interesting if we broke the 66 for now. PMX nothing. So I'm gonna put SMX and VRAX, both of them looking strong from the rest. And maybe PLRZ if it broke the 676. M or Macy had earnings today, guys. It pulled back as well, and now it's going up a bit. THO, the same, had earnings today, pre-markets. And yeah, it's going up 5%. As you can see here, we pull back, then we jump up. Finally, we have positive earnings the first time. That's why it's jumping now. Okay, APLD, it might reverse here as well. ABLD, I think we got a big seller here around 2882. Yeah, 2882 should be a huge seller place. We have a nice dip. We might have a good entry for around 2575. Watching for a dip right now for APLD, guys, reversing down with B. Mara's reversing down as well. So I'm adjusting the resistance around the 1242. So today we might have a pullback, except for Tesla. Tesla Robotaxi has have a huge news. So APLD broke the support. We might have a huge push back down today. Yeah, SMX didn't break yet. Beyond Meat 8% down. Is correcting down, guys. Is correcting down after test the $1.40. So we got now a big seller place around the 140. Exactly 140. It is a huge seller place. So SMX, from my opinion, right now looking strong. 23%. Yesterday, 29%. Is preparing for a breakout around the 66.25. CAPR 39. Yeah, but it's light on volume, and I can't trade this one. And I think it's halted now. Yeah, currently halted. It's going toward the 42. This is might be the top target before a rejection. And you said 39 because it's got halted. So yeah, at 42, it should be the top target for it. And after that, we might flush. So waiting for a pullback for this one. Thank you for the reminder, Martin. Yeah, this one look fantastic here, but it is too risky to play. Too risky to play, man. Yeah, it's getting near the 42, and you said the 39 is the resumption because it closed around the 35, and 39 is 12% up. We might jump again until the 42, then jump down. So another 20%. Is jumping now 450, but it's halted. SMX, guys, 30%. Testing the resistance now. Yes, testing the resistance. We have a little breakout. SMX, guys, looking fantastic. If it held the current support, the 61.21. SMX looking strong for today. Who's ready for the squeeze of their life? SMX looking great. Okay, SMX, I think we have a fake out here. A little bit of fake out for SMX. Yeah, huge fake out. 67.78. So now we might have a little bit of pullback, but if we held over the 61.45 would be great. VRAX broke the first support. Everybody is going to the second around almost the 50. CAPR $40 right now and it's halted again. Let us double check what's going on, man. It's halted how many times VRAX or CAPR? Yes, it's halted one here, halted twice, halted third time, hold three times, guys. CAPR with CNCK. Holy baloney. We got a lot of stock getting halted right now. Let's check CNCK and we check VMSB. We got QCLS, VTTX. Okay, let us check those stocks that have been halted. No, not good. Maybe this one. This one is halted down. VMSB. VMSB, we don't have it. So yeah, we got QCLS. It might be great to watch here. Guys, I'm still checking the chart for mini stocks, so I can't check the chart, the chat yet. So I'll answer your question a little bit later until we confirm the list for today. Because now we got QCLS, CAPR still waiting for a pullback. This one already pulled back. SMX already pulled back. PMX, it's testing the resistance around the white line, so we don't have a breakout yet. Lowering the resistance now around the 3.25, profit taking now around the 360 and 412. KXIN start to reverse from the support, the 380, not bad, but it need to break the 460. PLRZ didn't break this resistance. Checking the other list, Vox, open. This one I think is dead for today. SGBX the same. B is going down a lot. Almost 3%. We need at least 8% down for APLD to be interested to buy. STAI and AEMD. We already traded AEMD before. STAI the same. Still remember those top gainers, and now they are top losers. Both of them, they're not interested, especially AEMD because I got earnings, bad earnings, and reverse split. Two bad news straight back to back. CAPR, I think, is unhalted right now, guys, getting near the 42.35. This is where we gonna get flushed down, from my opinion. It's too overextended. Even if the price go over the 42 a little bit, around the 43 and 45, I will not enter. I don't recommend entering or even holding here. Waiting for a huge pullback here. SMX, guys, broke the support, so I don't like it now. We got a huge fake out, huge one, around the 67. We didn't hold. It was tricky trade because it broke the resistance, but we didn't hold. PMAX, again, not good. Broke the support, so I'm gonna take it from the list here. SMX, take it from the list for now. KXIN, nothing much. So the main one now is QCLS, VRAX, and CAPR, but it's a bit weak. You see CAPR, guys, is lowering, it's going down now, just below the 42, which is our resistant, top resistant. QCLS, Express QCLS, already discussed it. We said 550 should be the main resistance and support that we should hold. If we want to go toward the 550 is the 430. Beyond the small shorts from 516 to 521. Okay. Market turned green for what? Yeah, is a little bit in green, especially for Mara and Plug and Tesla. Nvidia and AMD still red and Neo. Usually we have the same reaction from the market, but today we have different reaction. Some stocks are deep in red like B, and some stocks are in green like Mara and Plug. So we have undecision here. Crypto is going nicely up, especially Ethereum. You see, guys, CAPR started to pull back. We might get halted down, guys. Be careful. As we said, the 42 is the top target. And I think now we halted around the 34.40 for CAPR. As a reminder, guys, yesterday we did the nice trade for MRVL for a swing trade. We already took profit at the market open because we suggest to exit around the 102.66, which we already tested from yesterday. And for now, we might have another swing trade for today, guys. If we have a good trade, we're gonna post it there around the Elite 1 day swing trade or the King Elite swing trade. And SMX did the really great job yesterday. The pullback entry was over the 47 and 41. It was good entry because today we retested the 66. But today I don't like the reaction for this one because we got the fake out. I don't like the stocks when it do fake out. If you don't know what's mean fake out, is mean price breaking the major resistance, then pull back down even after the break. IRBT, we got a new one. Yeah, this one, it is heavily diluted. We got a lot of buyers once we dipped below the $1. So this is a good reaction. We have a lot of interest from major whale to buy this stock around this dip. They know something. Of course, that's why they loading up. They see a discounted price for this stock. IRBT, iRobot. Focusing on making robots. Interesting. Market cap is just 81 million. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the list here just in case. PLRZ the same. We got a little bit of fake out here, but currently it's okay to watch. CAPR, I think it's halted, guys. LUDP, reason code LUDP, halted around 9:44 and now 9:48, which is 5 minutes. Um, or 4 minutes right now, or less. Yeah, 4 minutes. We need another 1 minute to get unhalted. Yes, 1 minute left. We might have 5 minute or 10 minute halt. So watch out. We might dip more toward the 30 and the 25 to reverse on there. It is too risky for this one. QCLS reverse on our support. Beyond coming back, yes, despite the shorts. As we said, guys, before, the short will win the game if we broke the 108. If we held, we're gonna have another buyer and squeeze again. So there's a chance. CAPE. CAPE. Volume is dead, man. I don't like trading this one. But if you want to invest in a big picture, watch for the dip around 25. Still bullish right now. The 25 dip should be an interesting dip if we have some drastic change in the buyers. And the current support to watch out for right now is the 3108. Current resistance to break is the 3287. But we have three levels, yeah, to buy the dip for, or two, 28 and 25. Or, yeah, 28 and 25, yes. Those two levels looking great, but it's not for day trade, man. For SMX, I took it from the list, brother, because it got faked out, and now it's reversing up again. So I will adjust the support because the support has been broken. We got 59.26. Current resistance, I'm gonna change it now around the 64, 65. Yes, this is the level that we have to break. So SMX, I'm gonna bring it back because it's still volatile. Still, there's some action for SMX here. PLRZ is a bit weak here, so I'm gonna take it from the list. KXIN is reversing from the $3.82, guys. Changing the resistance for this one around the 80 cents. Major seller at their position there. CAPR got halted with 10 minutes this time, guys. 10-minute halt. Yeah, 10 minutes. So around 9:54, we're gonna get unhalted, or after 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes left after the unhold or resumption for CAPR. 2 minutes left. AHMA. AHMA. Yes, this one is new, guys. This one just hit the scan after the market open. And again, this one I think was on the top gainer list back here around the 1st of December. Yes, we did 200% 2 days ago. And now it is recovering up, guys. This one looking great. Let me just see here. Look at this breakout. Yeah, beautiful breakout here. This one I might add it on the list to trade after we finish our live streaming. I'm gonna update the level for it and where's the other profit taken after the 1750. Stay tuned for that update. We're gonna do it on the unicorn hunt. So if you are one of our Discord members or a Patreon or even YouTube membership on the Mighty Hunter, you can have access to the short update that we do every time after we finish our live streaming. Because after the we finish our live streaming, the market could react and have some different buyers will entering some news hitting the market. So after we finish our live streaming, we continue the hunt over there, guys. The link in the live chat section. AHMA up, yes, Norma. We already checked it out. Look really fantastic. Yeah, it looked really good. AHMA testing the resistance right now around 1750. QCLS is pulling back. It's pulling back. It's getting weaker now. CAPR, guys, is gonna get halted right now, I think. Any minute, any moment right now. Because it's 10-minute halt. Come on. Where are we gonna get unhalted? 31 or 28? Okay, what's going on with Beyond Meat? The price is going down after the huge jump, almost 100%. Now we have a correction. So we're gonna discuss who is selling Beyond Meat. Are we gonna have a reversal after that? Another squeeze, another 100% toward the $3 or not? But before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So remember, guys, Beyond Meat, we already discussed it early on before this jump in November. This squeeze early, we said there is a warning, and the squeeze has started because we spotted this breakout from this bearish channel. What does it mean? Because this channel, guys, just from the technical, there is a huge seller making the price go down here, there, many times. And here they cover up around the 26th of November on Wednesday before Thanksgiving. After that, on Monday, 1st of December, we got the squeeze, technically almost 85% for this play. For now, we have a pullback because we hit the $1.50. We hit until the 160, but around the 150, it was the major seller place for Beyond Meat. So where the price would go right now, because now the volume is around 17 million. The last few days we hit almost quarter billion, guys, for Beyond Meat. So the it's not that technically is not that because a lot of you said Beyond Meat is dead because we entered this channel for 1 month. And as we said before, Beyond Meat always entered this quiet phase before the storm. You see here, 11 days, then a huge flush here, 4 days, then a huge squeeze. And then here it was the longest short opened for 35 days. That's why a lot of you said it is dead because this is the first time we entered this kind of phase. Usually 1 week, 2 weeks, then we have a reactivation, either selling pressure or buying pressure. But now, yes, we activated the buying pressure. The whale bought around the 87. However, now, guys, we have a warning sign to confirm that we're gonna have a reversal. we have two levels. The first one is over the $1.08. This is the best place to hold and reverse from to confirm that Beyond Meat is not dead and there's a chance for a squeeze from 108 until here. We might do 27%. And if we squeeze this time, we might do the 169. And the best squeeze is almost 90%, like what we did before 85, now 90% around the $2.12. If we held the $1.08, of course. And the last bottom, if we want to have still a chance for reversal, is over the 90 cents. So the 108 and the 90 cents should be the hot spot where we trigger the whale buying this dip. Really important level to watch out for Beyond Meat in this month, guys, because we got, yes, almost less than 1 month before the end of this year and enter the 2026. So this will be the last fight for Beyond Meat, for my opinion, to have a reversal, last reversal in this year. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you like anticipate another squeeze for Beyond Meat this month or not. Because as we said, the 108 is still great support to hold and squeeze from. If we held it, yes, we're gonna have a nice reversal. 25, then 50, then 90%, three levels of profit taking. Let's see. DEVS is halted. CAPR is still halted down. I think we halted more, guys, more than 10 minutes. This is crazy. QCLS broke the support, guys, unfortunately. So it is a lot weaker now. It's going toward the bottom, the 374. So QCLS, I'm gonna take it from the list, at least for now. AHMA looking fantastic. We're gonna update it later. CAPR the same as a VRAX, KXAN, IRBT, and SMX, which is squeezing now. Yes, SMX is squeezing now. So we're gonna do a major update later on, guys. So stay tuned for this update on our Discord and Patreon. We're gonna do this update later on to update those level for those stocks because few minutes can change everything, guys. Let's go. SMX broke up. SMX, yes, but the 67.74 is the current resistance, brother, that we have to break to go toward the 72. So watch out for this resistance. Thank you for watching, guys. In the meantime, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe. And don't forget to join us tomorrow to hunt again for the market 30 minutes before the market open daily, guys, live stream. And before that and after that, always update on our Discord and Patreon for the precise entry and exit for mini stocks. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you.